Take the 9 and make it 8. 837 in the bound. Go.
Where's the wrong side?
No, what you do is, if you live in this country now, you need to learn our language.
Hey, 94, we swung the house towards Maryland. We turned the house around Maryland once again in the bound, 837.
DX Land, hello DX Land. DX Land, pocket knife in the bluegrass.
About that 31-4. About that Mr. 31-4.
How about 31-4?
Right, DX Land.
Pocket knife in the bluegrass.
Roger, Roger. Hey, Dirty White Boy, Billy Jack, your friend up here in Kentucky. About that Dirty White Boy. About that Mr. Dirty White Boy, 556, Western Kentucky. We trying you, burger.
837, waving on the flat side.
How about that Mr. 94 out there, 495 and this mobile around you? We just don't have any conditions there, Billy Jack.
Well, I appreciate it out there. Y'all sounding good on the flat side in Alabama.
How about that 94 out there?
How about that 37 on the flat? We go.
You really only see all the aftermath. It's not them. You don't see them physically doing anything. It's just they're rescuing these dogs.
Hey, 94, you on that flat side up there in Maryland. Waving on the flat, no doubt. On that
I'm going to wave at you out around South Carolina. I'm sitting back reading the mail. Hello, around South Carolina, old John Boy, West Tennessee, reading the mail.
Hey, 94, 837, say you be on that flat side. That's where we're at now. Hello, around Maryland, once again, in the bound. On that flat side in Birmingham, we go.
What state of Maine, translator? Oh, honky tonk trader.
About that
I had to wave you on that flat side there.
No doubt, there's where the catch is on the wave. 837 in the bound. On that flat side in Birmingham, we go.
Oh, 421, South Carolina, mobile radio, 421. Doggone, I guess 0495, I got...
Who's that out there on that mobile? Come on in here to Alabama. We got you in Birmingham. Come on.
All right, number 1 in the garden, sounded mighty fine on my end. Okay, out here, 421, mobile radio, waving.
All right, out there in that mobile, you have a good one out there. Same to Thursday. You sounding good around Birmingham. Happy Turkey Day. 837 in the back.
How about it, DX Land, 321 in the
pocket knife in the blue. About the 525 and 3-point, man.
Hello, 242 in Maryland. Hey, you come in like good afternoon to you, Birmingham, Alabama.
That ain't it, you? Saying 73 to you and yours. You have that mighty fine thing.
All right, there, 242. Hope you have a good holidays coming from Alabama and have a super fine day. 837 down in the Big Mound, Birmingham, Alabama. We go.
Bring it back to pocket knife if you're still here, Ron.
They coming back to 495 out here in this Georgia Mobile. Oh, 495 out here in this Georgia Mobile. Read the mail. Hit it, code button. 321 honky tonk is waving and
Now.
Hey, 321, you copy pocket knife and
505 up in the state of Maine. 414, Tennessee, wave it.
On the wave in the bound. 837 in Alabama.
Who was that, Tom?
Yeah, Roger, 321.
You'll get my little radio talk up there in Maine. 414, Tennessee, West 85.
Heard somebody else.
Hey, Winchester, Virginia, I appreciate if you're talking to Alabama. You sounding grand on that transmission. Hello, well, Winchester, Virginia, 837 Birmingham, wave it to you.
Roger, 123, 1